Ready-roo!
It's got red, green, orange.
Ready-roo!
Anyway.
Well, yeah, I don't care.
So this is the last trip to beach, the last walk on a beach. It's hot.
Slice of paradise, and then we're back to Telford. Last day on the beach. This is a bit further down in Alcudia. I'll put it in my trainer.
Oh god, don't say that.
Is that a fish one? I thought,
Oh no, I was expecting that. I don't know what it is. I'm not aware. It's still in the box. It sounds gay.
sounds gay.
But it's comfier than it's just flopping around there.
Ready-roo!
It's got red, green, orange.
Ready-roo!
Anyway.
Well, yeah, I don't care, does it? Stroke him! Stroke! Oh, just push that on him! The threw sand at it, the granddad's just letting him do it. Where's it gone? Oh, it's all over there now. What?
In my suitcase, I put my favorite toy. In my suitcase, I put my favorite toy. In my suitcase, I put my favorite toy.
So,
If you need a charging port, they have these little seating areas, look. Plug your phone in.
let's try it out.
Did it work?
Yeah, it works.
Alright, buzzing. There you go.
If your phone is dying on a street, obviously find lowest place, charge up, carry on. And with the sea view?
Temperature. Hey Google, what's the temperature?
It's 27 degrees in Alcudia right now.
Feels like hole 35.
Crazy golf.
Put 5 down.
Yes,
Oh, bloody lucky that was, wasn't it?
yeah, put 5.
This is €17 for adults. Can't remember what the kids' price was.
What's 750 per
Oh,
adult?
sorry, 750, not 17.
5 for kids.
Yeah, quite a nice little one. It's quite, well, I say little, it's quite big.
Aww.
And they're retractable, they are. Show them they're retractable. That, so you can pick what size you want. This is next to the fair by the Bellevue sign and this tennis court. So you're famous on YouTube, you are?
Yeah.
Yeah. If you type in Mallorca around here, it's always that.
Julia, yeah.
Julio's Preps.
Yummy, yummy.
Oh, yes.
Very yum.
Can't wait to have one. White chocolate looks so nice. Callum's looks really nice. I'm thinking, oh, I should have got with ice cream.
Tomorrow.
Okay.
Gracias. All I remember is that bad boy. Oh, it's hot. That was Julio's Preps and ice cream.
They do bring the whole.
Mush. Located there. Julio's.
God, what do you mean horse?
Wow.
And at me old chestnut. Get a picture of with the horse. Yeah. These two.
Okay. Can you swipe it just to take a picture?
Check-in and
Hello. Rancho horses next to Lagamonte. It's about €33 to go around the bottom of the mountain. Hopefully they'll let Dina film some. Oh, argument.
Here they are.
Got your helmets on, ready to go.
Yeah. Sorry for horse.
Oh, I'm sorry for yours, carrying you two.
Pardon me?
You want to swap?
Dina. Bye, cows. Enjoy your ride. Bye. Trick the horse. Yeah, I'll bet after that. John Wayne.
Dina.
Picture.
Dina.
Hey, on camera. On camera as well. Hey. Oh, that was perfect. Perfect dismount, Kelsey.